Before we get into today's video, I want to remind everybody to please subscribe to the channel, show some love with the comments and liking the videos, but make sure you hit that notification bell. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. We are getting closer and closer each day, thanks to every last one of you. But guys, when we hit 1,000, I'm gonna put together my own mystery box giveaway. It will be one box with one pair of Jordans, one retro Jordan in there, and whatever else I decide to throw in. But you've got to be subscribed to the channel in order to win this mystery box. Only one winner will receive it. Again, that's once I hit 1,000 subscribers. So how else are you going to find out if that happens? You've got to hit that notification bell. It doesn't cost you anything to show your girl some support. Plus, you get free stuff out of it. Hey guys, it's your girl AnEyeIVKicks. Welcome back to the channel. As you saw, or most of you saw in my last video, if you didn't watch my last video, go watch that, then come back. In my last video, I talked about the pair of sneakers. Well, I mentioned getting exclusive access on a pair of sneakers, and it's funny because exclusive access items always seem to ship a lot quicker than anything else that you would buy through Nike online. I can't complain. I'm super excited to have these bad boys. So let's go ahead and just open it up. All right, guys, these are a classic shoe. You know, a lot of people were getting exclusive access on these. Sorry, let me get this to focus there. All right, I don't know if you can see what those are. It's 11 low. I feel like a lot of people got exclusive access on these because you have all this hype around the Hyper Royals right now, and it's stupid limited. Like, it's worse than people thought, and it's, you know, and then of course with the whole nonsense of people not getting their shipments or the stores or blah blah blah. Fortunately, it seems like most of the stores got their grade school sizes in, so that was great for your girl. But the bad part is your girl took multiple fat L's. So as you guys could see, this shoe is not my size. It's not a personal addition to the collection. Stinking paper stuck to the box. Quality control at its finest. So it is the Jordan 11 Low, the Legend Blue. Sorry. Always trying to get this thing to focus. All right, let's look at the bottom. It's really such a beautiful shoe, but I have an 11 Low all white, and if this had been like the OG, like the high, the regular, you know, then yes, it would be an addition to my collection. But you also would have had people going crazy about this shoe if it had been the, you know, the original release. See, this is the, I don't know if you can see the shimmer on it, but this is the all white. See, I don't need two all white 11 Lows. I just don't. You gotta be more selective sometimes. But not only am I hoping that I can make a couple bucks off of this, so yes, I am reselling it. I'll be honest, I prefer to work locally. But if you're, you know, if you're super interested and you're, you know, you're not gonna lowball me, you're willing to pay a good price, shoot me a message. You know, I'll comment to you. Go to my Instagram and DM me if you're interested, and we'll figure something out if they're still available. But the reason that I went for these was because of the exclusive access. Now, I don't know, it could just be a me thing, but I'm a firm believer that, you know, if you only claim your exclusive access and only spend that money when it's like a super popular or, you know, limited release, like they did all the exclusive access for the Off-White 5, the sales. If you only use your exclusive access for that, I firmly believe, again, just my opinion, that Nike will give you little to no exclusive accesses moving forward. Why would they? You're just cashing them. You don't care to spend your money on the regular stuff. And I mean, this really isn't regular, but you only want to spend your money when they release hypes. It's like the Flex app and how you have to actually spend money, you know, to really get those reservations and whatnot. Like, I get it. It's great business. But let me go ahead and take this insole out of here and show you guys the hidden Easter egg in this shoe, the thing that probably not very many people knew about it. You've got, let's see if I can get this to focus. So you've got the number 25 here, not 23, and it is, you got the silver Jumpman and you got the silver 25, because these shoes are actually like commemorating, it's kind of like the Jubilees were for the 11s in general, but this is the 25th anniversary of when Jordan played in the All-Star game in San Antonio, and he wore the original release of these. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. That, yeah, it's the insole, really nobody's gonna see it, but you're gonna know it. Like, you're gonna be able to appreciate the significance of this shoe. It's a nice shoe, I'm not gonna lie. The leather's not terrible on it. I mean, I felt better on ones, but it's an 11 low. But yeah, exclusive access, that's a big fat W in my book. With everything coming up right now, there's really nothing that I'm just like, oh my gosh, I need it for my personal collection. This weekend, these are dropping, I believe it's the 24th, so it's a Saturday drop. We do have the UNC 4s that are coming out. Super dope shoe, but again, I'm not huge on the baby blue. The ones are okay, they kind of fell into my lap, but I'm not going hard for these 4s. If I do, it'd probably be for resale, as well as you've got the Travis Scott 6s, the British khakis coming out too. Would it be dope to have a Travis Scott sneaker in my collection? Hell yeah. Is that the one that I want? No, I've got my eye on those Dunks that are going for $1,500. But you know what? I could work on trading shoes that I do hit on and building up to it. Guys, maybe I should start like a series about, like, you know, how I work towards getting those grails that are like ridiculously expensive. What about grinding for my grail? Like, what do you guys think of that? Give me some input, give me some feedback, comment below. Is that something that you would be interested in watching? See what I trade and how I get it and how I get my grails? Could be fun to watch. But yeah, so there's not a ton of things coming out that I want personally, but there is value to it, which, you know, like I've said before, yes, I resell. Most of the money that I get from reselling goes towards shoes for my personal collection. So not trying to get rich off of it. But yeah, that's pretty much wraps up this video. You know what I've got my eye on, and tune in next time to see what I've got my eye on next.